What's up, nerds and virgins, it's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about two CNFT projects that I'm personally bullish on and that have upcoming mints. If you don't want to miss out on these, and you don't want to miss out on any CNFT project or any NFT project with huge potential, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Also follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT and follow my own project, Nerds CNFT. Bear in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and nothing I say in this video should be dubbed as financial advice. So with that in consideration, the first project I'll be talking about today is Cardolphins, which is a project that I've covered on the channel before and it is minting next month. This is a collection of 8,888 dolphin CNFTs, playing on the idea of pollution, which ultimately alters ocean evolution forever, making these dolphins look very unique. You can see not only these are just unique, they are also very well done. High quality art that is very visually appealing, which is a must for any successful NFT project. So this is what caught my eye immediately, as well as many respected people in the CNFT community. We have 2,000 followers on Twitter, as well as partnerships with the likes of Soho Kids, Chilled Kongs and DGen Crypto Club, which are all big projects and all very well respected. I've also got the attention of Dean K, which is another CNFT YouTuber that I recommend you subscribing to, and as well as the attention of Cardano Man, who is a very well respected member of the CNFT community. So that's exactly what we like to see. Another thing that I love to see is their roadmap. So they have their mint, then they're muralizing the Cardolphins, then they'll be having mutations and exclusive airdrops for holders, as well as doing merchandise drops with apparel, bags and physical canvases, all made from recycled ocean plastic, which is a huge part of this project, given their royalty structure. So for every Cardolphin CNFT minted, they're donating 5 ADA, which is roughly $5, to the Dolphin Project, which is the world's leading dolphin non-profit project, which was featured in The Cove and Seaspiracy, which are very popular documentaries. On top of that, they will receive a 1% royalty on every secondary sale forever. So as well as coming out with a awesome NFT project that looks brilliant, they are also actually making a difference in the real world, which is something that I personally love to see. In terms of the team, it consists of a 3D artist in Akira Thompson and PDA.NYC, which is a creative studio founded by Aaron Mosher and David Yankelowitz, if I'm saying that right, who are both actually docs. You can see their real names, face here, and the Twitter here, and you can also see their company. We've worked with huge names, by the way. I covered this in my last video about Cardolphins, so I won't go into this much, but they're pretty much fully doxed and they're very much credentialed. In terms of the mint, it will be on March 5th of 2022 at 5 PM UTC, and the mint will happen on the website, which I'll leave in the description. I'll also leave the link to their Twitter and to their Discord in the description as well, so you can check it out yourself. Do due diligence and do your own research. I'm big on this project. I love the art, I love the initiative, and I like the future plans, as well as the partnerships and the respect that they've gotten within the community. This is a project that I've had my eye on for a while, and I can't wait to see what they have in store. The second project I'll be talking about today, Chibidango Heroes. So if you've been in the CNFT space for a while, you'd know that this is an already established project with an established team and that is highly respected. 374k ADA traded and with a floor price of 56 and an all-time sale of 6,150 ADA. This project is relatively big and they've recently announced they're having their season 2 on the 6th of March, 8 PM UTC, with their Elves launch. This would be a part of their play-to-earn game, which would be an idle hero game on the Cardano blockchain, where you'll be using these NFTs in various activities through the Chibiway galaxy to earn rewards, real-world rewards that you can turn into fiat in the form of Dango gems, which would be the most crucial resource in the game, which allows you to craft gear, upgrade items and buildings, and it'll basically be the in-game currency. So in-game, players will be able to claim Dango gem tokens and then trade them on a DEX or an exchange, i.e. Sunday Swap or Muesli Swap, which are native Cardano DEXs. So like most play-to-earn games, you can actually earn real-world money from playing this game. And as per the white paper, just by playing, claiming and holding these chibi, you'll be able to get weekly airdrops. I'll leave the white paper in the description, which they've only released in this last week. Worth a read if you're very interested in this game, but I don't have enough time in this video to fully go through it. But basically the game is, players aim to battle, summon, collect and craft items and upgrade village buildings for their heroes. This is a community owned economy and it is built as for the core players to buy, sell and trade resources in the game universe through skill and contributions to the ecosystem. And it will look like this type of thing, which is a popular model for these type of games. Each chibi can do battles in the Colosseum, or go on adventures, expeditions, and go to the underworld to gain resources, and in order to become stronger. The stronger you get, the more D-gems you earn, and then eventually you can be one of the people living off a play-to-earn game. Chibidango Heroes have been around for a while now, and I believe they're not going anywhere anytime soon, and they are definitely here to stay. This next mint may not be the best in terms of a flip and all that, in my opinion, but if you're looking for a long-term hold that can actually have value through their play-to-earn game, I do believe this is a great mint. Whether you believe in this game and you believe in the team behind it, it's up to you. I personally do, and I do think it is a very good project, and a lot of people in the CNFT community do as well. This is one of the pioneers in play-to-earn games in Cardano, and very well could be one of the best. Depends how you play it, but you could hedge your bets, get a little piece of the pie of every play-to-earn game, because if one blows up, the likes of Axie Infinity could be a very profitable investment in terms of selling the NFT and actually playing the game. I do like Chibidango Heroes, and I do think it is a great project, and I'll leave the link in the description to their website, to their Twitter, and to their Discord, so you can check it out yourself for the upcoming mint on March 6th. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and most importantly, found it valuable. Let me know if you like these projects, and if so, let me know why. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching, and I see you all next time.